A very happy new year to all of you. Thinking back to Hogmanay last year, and indeed the year before that, we are reminded of just how far we have come from the very darkest days of the pandemic. That progress is thanks to the extraordinary efforts of health service workers, of everyone who worked so hard to deliver the vaccine programme, and of course to all those who came forward to be vaccinated and boosted. As a result of all of that, and so much more besides, many of us will be looking forward to our first full Hogmanay celebrations in 3 years. That said, this has still been a very difficult year for many people. The pandemic has cast a long shadow and its many impacts are still with us. And on top of that, the cost of living crisis is making life really tough for people and businesses across our country. So as we look ahead now to 2023, I can promise you that the Scottish Government will keep doing everything we can for those who need it most right now, while also looking to the longer term with optimism and resolve. We will prioritise resources to tackle poverty, especially child poverty. The Scottish Child Payment, which was increased and extended last month, now benefits more than 400,000 children, helping give them the best start in life that every young person deserves. We will also do everything we can to support our precious public services, helping the NHS in particular recover from the pandemic and get services back on track. And we will work hard to reap the massive economic benefits of our efforts to tackle climate change and help save the planet for those who come after us. As just one, but very important example of that, we are working with business to ensure that the truly transformational ScotWind programme doesn't just power the country with clean, green, renewable energy, but also creates thousands of new jobs in the process. During 2023, Scotland will also continue to play our part as a good international citizen. We will continue to support Ukraine in every way we possibly can, including by providing refuge to the thousands of people who have been displaced by Putin's war and who have come to Scotland seeking a place of safety and sanctuary. We will work to further strengthen Scotland's connections with countries across Europe and right around the world. And yet again, we will proudly welcome the world to Scotland for a host of major events, like the World Cycling Championships in August, for example. For all of these reasons, and many, many more, and amidst the very real challenges we face right now, there is much to look forward to in the year ahead. So let us continue with real hope in our hearts to build that fairer, greener and more prosperous country we all want to see. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, have a good Hogmanay. I wish you and your loved ones much health and happiness in 2023. Happy New Year.